A new video has emerged, purportedly showing yesterday's attempted Ukrainian drone boat attack on the Russian ship Ivan Kurs, in the Black Sea, this time from the perspective of one of the uncrewed surface vessels involved. Provided it's legitimate, the new video helps build a picture of the attack. The new video, only around 15 seconds long, appears to have been taken from a camera mounted on one of the uncrewed surface vessel as it races toward the Ivan Kurs. Amid signs of tracer fire emanating from the ship and skipping over the waves, the uncrewed surface vessel approaches the ship and gets to within only a few feet of the left-hand side of the stern before the video cuts out. There is no sign of a detonation of the uncrewed surface vessel's explosive payload or its destruction by the ship, but either of those scenarios remains possible. The video was posted to Telegram by the Ukrainian channel. Russia repelled an attack by naval drones on its Black Sea fleet stationed in the Crimean port of Sevastopol in the early hours of Monday, Russia's defense ministry said. Sevastopol, which is on the Crimean peninsula that Russia annexed from Ukraine in 2014, has come under repeated air attack since Russia sent troops into Ukraine last February. Russian officials have blamed the attacks on Ukraine.